Hello friends, today we are going to view latest car launched by Tata Harrier EV. This is awesome car launched by Tata. This is exterior view of Tata Harrier EV. This car have seating capacity of 5 passengers. Exterior view, this is very nice guy. We also understand the ex showroom price of Tata Harrier. It's approximately rupees 24 lakh to 28 lakh rupees. Now running range, if you discuss about the running range of the Tata Harrier EV, is approximately 500 kilometers and all-wheel drive train and could offer a range more than 500 km in one charge of battery. Harrier is going to launch by Tata in approximately tentative date given by Tata in March 2025. The motor capacity of Tata Harrier EV is having more capacity. The Harrier EV will have a dual motor setup with an all-wheel drive train. Battery capacity: the Harrier EV based on the Omega Arc platform would come with a battery pack bigger than that in Nexon. If we talk about the safety of Tata Harrier EV, it's having better safety features in that it will likely get up to 7 airbags in Tata Harrier, an electronic stability program, a 360-degree camera, a tire pressure monitoring system, and hill hold and hill descent control. The Harrier EV could also use advanced driver assistance system that make it a unique, awesome car of Tata. If you talk about the fuel type, it's a electric vehicles and fuel type is electric. It's come with the battery and transmission is automatic. Look more premium than the regular IC Harrier. This is the tail light view of the Tata Harrier. All-wheel driven system for added grip in tricky situations. This is the front view of AV. It's have many features. If we talk about some features, then key features will include a wireless phone charging, a panoramic sunroof with mood lighting, and a gesture-enabled powered tailgate. It's come in number of variants like XM, XZ, XZ, LUX. All variants having electric and automatic specifications. The left side view of this is a dark color green Tata Harrier. This is the back right view of the Tata Harrier. Look awesome. It's a very nice look of the Tata car. Key feature also include 12.3-inch touch screen, infotainment system, a 10.25-inch digital driver system. It helps the driver and also a lot of features shows on the touch screen. It also includes a dual zone automatic AC, ventilated front seats, a 6-way power driver seats, a 4-way powered co-driver seats. This is the interior view of the Tata Harrier EV. It's look good and display is very big and very comfortable, very user friendly, and very awesome look. So uh, go for it, look for it, and if you feel comfortable, then take it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.